gonna make it someday because, see, this is in his head that he's gonna be rich, and it's gonna happen. But he got to be patient because you can't. You just, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is gonna be successful someday because he has that motivation. One thing I can say about my grandson Michael, he is gonna be successful because he has that goal that what he want to be, and he's gonna make it someday.
All right, y'all, we live with it. Let me we gonna get this thing rocking and rolling. Is it Wednesday or is it not Wednesday? All right, so let's actually mute that, and there we go. We have to actually take the sound off because we had an echo. And good morning, guys. Good morning, world. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, YouTube. Let's get right into it. But give me 1 second. I pretty much want to invite some more people onto the video, so give me 1 second. How y'all doing? How y'all doing on this Wednesday morning? Everybody good? Family good? Cool. All right, yeah, let me go ahead and get right into this real quick. But yeah, feel free to comment if you guys got any questions about anything or whatever it might be. If you got something on your mind you want to get off your chest, hey, say what's up. But yeah, this is the if you guys are joining for the very first time, this is, we call it the N.C.A.M session. N.C.A.M session is pretty much just saying that once you're educated and once you know what you know, right, then you can be able to, so I'm kind of multitasking, but then you'll be able to take advantage of certain situations where you're able to really monetize, whatever you're trying to do. You get what I'm saying? So it might be just wanting to get a crib. You might be wanting to get a house, right? Or you might have some dreams, right? Or whatever. But now you're able to make it a reality now because now you got money that can back it up. And we all know, if you didn't know, it takes money to, do a lot of things that we're trying to do in life. So why not go ahead and learn a skill set that can solve that for you right away, right? It's an investment. It's not something that you got to sit here and watch 24/7. As you guys can see, this is the Dow Jones US30 that's on my chart right now. This is a live market, right? This move that just happened, buyers just took over within in less than 10 minutes, right? And I seen all confirmation beforehand, so I'm able to position myself to eat, to make money, because I know what to look for. All right, so I'm able to find these setups to make money, to hunt. Like I always use the analogy. It's just as if one of us showed us, how to actually go fish. You showed me how to fish and a little technique or whatnot at one time. After that, you give me the blueprint. Hey, I could do it on my own, right? It's the same thing when it comes to investing and trading. It's the same thing, right? And I want you guys to, like I say, I always say this. I say this thing is not gonna work for you unless you change your mindset. And it don't matter who you are. I'm telling you now. If you get into this and have a different mindset about it, it's not gonna work for you. I always say, the money is there, which it is, but you have to learn a skill set. If you buckle down and learn a skill set, the money gonna come tenfold. And I guarantee that. All right? Now, this is the skill set. So, this is a chart, right? These are candlesticks. these little blue and red. I mean, I said blue and red. So the blue and black, right? Those are the candlesticks, and all it's doing is representing buyers and sellers. That's it. Buyers, sellers. Because the market can only do two things. The market can go up and the market can go down. Right? That's it. So the cool part about this is that, for one, we don't have to sit here and watch it. For two, it's bi-directional, meaning that the market go up and down, so we can participate on both sides. That means that we don't have to be biased. We don't have to say, man, I like Apple only, or I like Samsung. No, I want to participate in both. I want to make money off both, right? And we able to do this at, such a leisure. And I'm showing you guys how to do it and what to look for. So what you're visually seeing right now on the chart is how we make money. So this little pattern that you see right here, let me label it out for you guys. So boom, boom, right? This is a W. When I say W, it's an actual W, right? If you can get that and understand that, then you're halfway there, right? If you could just grab this concept here, then you're halfway there, all right? So when we see this, listen to me. And if I don't say anything else important in this video, this is it. Every time we see this W pattern, listen to me. Every time we see it, like how we go fishing every time, we do the same technique, right? How we make money, we do the same thing. Every time we see this pattern right here, we locate it. You see how it went up? You see how all those blue candles went up? Buyers took over, right? It happens like this every time. It's a movie. We sing the same movie over and over again, but we love it because it's making us money. And it's going to make you money. And if you want to listen and really take advantage of it, I'm showing you live. You can see the candles fluctuating right here, live. So it's not something that I made up. It's not something that happened in the past. I'm showing you something that's happening right now. You can be on this next wave when this happens. And like I say, if you want to talk money, let's talk money real quick. Y'all want to talk some money? We can talk money. All right? So let's talk money real quick. I want you guys to pull out your calculators real quick. Now, I'm going to show you guys where I'm getting this number from so you guys don't think I'm pulling this out the air or whatnot. So, I'm going to highlight it here. So far, Dow Jones, and within 10 minutes, as you can see, they're still moving, but let me see if we can catch it. So far, it has went 152 points up. So, buyers took it up 152 points. So, you do 152, right? And you calculate it, right? Now, I want you to times that by whatever dollar amount you desire. Now, it could be a minimum of $1. So, at the most least, off this trade, you would have made $152 within 10 minutes, which is not bad, right? Let's say that the next time and the next time around, you seeing it over and over again, like we told you. You say, man, I want to be a little bit more aggressive, or I want to be, a little bit more heavy on the trade. This time you do 152 times $10. You would have made $1,500 and $20 in 10 minutes. Let me say that again. You would have made $1,520 in 10 minutes. And you can look, see the market moving? Look, so you would have made more money. Market's still moving. But what I'm trying to say is, all of this is happening. I can't even keep up with it. So look, they still going. So look, all of this happened because of down here. You go back, look left, right? That gives you the data, that gives you the clues, the blueprint to what to look for, and what to, foresee, that can possibly happen. Because like I say, these things happen over and over again, right? So right now the market is going crazy, and this is how we make money. And it's easy. Like, this took what? Like I said, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, in and out. I'm good for the day, right? 1,500. You made 1,500, right? You can go a little heavier than that. Let's say you do the same. Look, now it's up to what? 160. 160 times $20. Let's say you do $20. So for every point that it goes your way, you getting $20, right? That's $3,200 you made. And now, what, 11, 12 minutes now? So this is the power of why we invest. This is the power of investing. So if you guys want me to do the math once again, I'll do it for you. Just so you can look. So I like to show a visual. So far, I'm trying to keep up with the market. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it right here, right? Because I'm trying to keep up with it because it's steady moving, as you guys can see. All right, so real quick, got this thing duplicating on me and whatnot. So, all right, watch this. So the market so far has went 160 points higher, right? Because buyers got it, right? So buyers, boom, right? Let's say that you did, $10 per point. What you got? So if we do that 160 times your $10, right? You made a cool 1,600 in less than 24 hours. You talking within what? Now it's about 12 minutes. You get what I'm saying? And this is happening now as you listening to me, as you paying attention. This is happening live. You see this, the chart still moving, right? So we still got more money to make. But I'm just showing you the power. Look, let's say you did $20, right? You did that 20 times that 160, right? So same situation, but this time around, all right, cool. I'm getting accustomed to things. Boom, right? 12 minutes. And this is just today. This is what's happening right now as far as the minutes. It may not take 12 minutes. It may be an hour. Who knows? But, look what type of money you're able to, bring in off an investment. And then, like I say, we're not always sitting here watching this thing for this entire 12 minutes if that's too long for you. To me, hey, I'm making 3,000 in 12 minutes. I'll sit here and watch it and sip on some coffee or something. You feel me? Because this is where it's at. So, you guys got any questions? Hope I ain't losing y'all. But every time we see this, we're able to take advantage. All right. So I actually got to screenshot this because I called this out beforehand to some of the inner circle members. And like I said, you guys have the same opportunity to become a member of the 120 Dreamers and get the inside scoop on how to do it, successfully. And like I said, I'm more than willing to help each and every one of y'all, but you gotta give it 120% for me to give it, the same. So if you're serious and really want to know how to do this, reach out to us. But what I was gonna say is that it just takes a great level of ambition, from your part, and that's all it requires, because the information has been proven day in and day out to work. It just takes you, to implement it and understand it, right? Because I went down that same path. I knew I had $1 million, check waiting for me, or whatever it may be, right? But I just had to change the way I was thinking, start managing my money better and things of that nature, and everything else will start clicking and playing out the way it should, right? So I feel like that's the same way with this industry here, and this is why I love it, For one, I don't have to recruit nobody. I don't have to talk to mom and dad for them to do it, for me to make, some type of profit. This is purely taking a skill set that I've learned, right? And applying what I know on an auto and consistent basis, because the market do the same thing over and over again, which is great, right? They giving me money, right? Sometimes I lose money, but a little bit, and I gain a lot. You want to make sure that you lose a little bit and you gain a lot, all right? Risk small, big profits, all right? And that's it. Learn, from myself as a mentor. You can learn from our group, and like I say, plug in. But this is the Dow Jones, and let's see what else we got cooking up. All right, so I'm just showing you guys that this skill set that I'm trying to give you guys access to, we can apply it towards anything. Look, we have the S&P, which correlates, and look at that. We're on the NASDAQ. Now we missed this one because we was too focused on, what we was focused on. But this is the NASDAQ 100, all top 100 corporations, right? We're trading and investing into that, right? And this is the live markets. But look, so I'm telling you, I'm giving you the blueprint, I'm giving you the sauce. But if you want to learn how to do this more in depth, in detail, like I say, just reach out to us and we'll get you guys plugged in. But look, all in one day, listen to me. This bad boy went up 149 points. If you got into that trade, because you would have, like I say, I guarantee you, you're no longer going to be confused about, hey, how can I start making money? How to generate some money if I need it, right? You ain't going to have no problems generating money for yourself, right? Because now you have education. Boom, look. That's why the market went up 149 points, because of that pattern there. That half of that pattern had already played out, giving you the signal, the green light, the confirmation, like, all right, cool. Buyers are looking like they're about to take over. I want to be a buyer, so let me hop on that trend. All right? This is why they say buy low. Because look, we foresaw it already. You know what I'm saying? Because before it happened, this part right here is what I'm talking about. So before this 149 pip move up from buyers, right? We foresaw it all over here to the left. So that's why we was able to take advantage and reap the benefits when it finally moved, right? And like I say, these things happen day in and day out every single day. So it's nothing new to us. So if it's nothing new and we are expecting these things to happen, why can't we be advantageous? Why can't we take advantage of it and press that buy button, press that sell button, right? You're now on Facebook. You're able to get this far. Why can't you just learn something like that simple, right? Every single day, this pattern, screenshot it. If you're serious about making money, listen to me. Screenshot this and save it, because this is one of the classic setups that happens over and over and over again. So if we're talking money, once again, you can see the market coming back down now. So now, remember I said sellers and buyers. Now sellers are kicking in the market now. They're moving the market down. You can sell it down if you wanted to, as you can see. But 147, right? If we do some simple math, 147. And let's just take $10. I'm going to put this back up here real quick. So it went up 147 points. And this is the NASDAQ, right? This is the index. We're talking similar to stocks. 147 points. We do a minimum. Uh-oh. Now I got to do it over. All right, so we got a minimum of 147. Well, we got a minimum of $1, right? That you can invest into an index, right? So at the most least, you would have made $147, which ain't bad, You ain't bust a sweat. You probably was asleep or something, right? Boom. You do 147 times this time 10. You made a cool $1,470 in 2 hours and 40 minutes. Like I say, you probably was at the gym. You probably spending family time or something. Who knows, right? 147. This time we're doing $20, right? I'm giving you guys scenarios of what could potentially happen if you take the time to learn this skill set and stop being lazy. Stop thinking. Stop thinking too much. Stop holding yourself back from greatness. Stop holding yourself back from millions of dollars that could potentially be yours. It's a skill set. It's what you know that can take you far. Look, guys, look. This is what the banks are doing, but I'm talking about 100 times what we talking about as far as these numbers. Look, $20. You making $2,940 in 2 hours. Look at the time up there. You see the time up there is given to you. This is what I'm getting it from. I want you guys to see this and understand this. Very important information. This is how the rich are able to get rich and stay rich. And they ain't the only ones that can get rich. and wealthy. I ain't trying to get rich, right? I'm trying to get wealthy. It's the difference. You feel me? And I want y'all to be able to do the same thing. So that's why I'm here sharing it with y'all. Listen to me. Right now, we made a cool 147 on the way up, right? Watch this. I'm going to keep that right there. Watch this. Remember I said that you can sell the market and buy the market? So I ain't got to be biased. I ain't got to be biased and stuck on just one side. Market so far, you can see it. Look, market coming back down. They went down so far, 38 points. Sellers. So I can sell the market, boom, make my 38, boom. Look, they still going down, right? And as you can see, we've made 149 points on the way up. We cashed out, boom, right? Now we on to the next trade, boom. Sellers taking over, cool. I'm hopping on that. That's 38 points that they went down so far, cool, right? You can do these things. But what we do is we like to be in and out. So we focus and we are very picky. And I say bougie, right? We had a couple guys that created this within the inner circle. Shout out to them. And they call it being bougie, as far as, just being bougie. Like, you're very bougie. You're picky, you're particular. And being that way allows us to make more money than what we lose. We find setups like this, like the pattern that I'm showing you in the black. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the setup. That's the pattern that makes us the most money. And it allows us to get in and out without having to sit there for 65 years growing gray hair like a 401k, you feel me? We able to get in and get out. We see it, we trade it, and we in and out, right? Like I say, we don't even have to sit there and watch it. You made a cool 2,900, and you good. Whatever it is, every single day, these things happen. You ain't got to be passionate about this. You ain't got to be, focused on this. This is strictly a investment. Are y'all with me? Strictly a investment. And if you know, you know. But I would like to extend the opportunity to each and every one of y'all to, join our course, right? It's a virtual course. And if you guys are located within Chicago, Illinois, right, real soon, we're going to be hosting, in-person workshops. All right. So you guys are going to be able to come out and learn in person. But also, you guys want to get that virtual course because it's going to expedite and it's going to speed you guys up on what's going on from all the way from you talking, not knowing anything. It's going to walk you personally by the hand saying, hey, I don't know anything about this, but I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to put in the work and the time, right? It'll walk you through that. It'll walk you all the way from beginning all the way to advanced. And this is all self-paced. So you don't have to rush through the information. We have it available on the mobile app. So if you have Apple, Android, you have a tablet, desktop, it's available on all platforms. You're able to log in onto your website, your own little portal, log in, learn the information, take notes, pause it, replay it, whatever you want to do is all there for you whenever you need it. And that's what you get access to, right? You get access to me personally. So if you have any questions about it as you're going on, you can just reach out to me. Like I always say, you're now a part of the inner circle. So what we also do is throughout the week, I sit down with every single person, right? And we get on a call and I say, hey, what are you struggling with? What do you need to work on? What are you confused about? And we sit there and we personally interact, and I'm breaking that stuff down on a weekly basis to all the inner circle members, who's invested. And like I say, you invest into you, not me. Once you invest, you show me that you're serious, and I'm putting 120% in. I'm going to show you everything I know. And like I say, that's it. Let's see what else we got. And we're going to go ahead and wrap things up real quick. So we looking for sellers. Look, and I'm going to show you guys that I'm giving you so much value before you even invest into the course or whatever. Look, if I was lying to you. So this may, look, check this out. And I'm going to be gone. So they may just go ahead and drop it off right away. So let me show you guys what's happening right here. This is so yeah, this is what they about to do now. All right, so at first they could just do this and drop the market off like boom. That's a double top. So look, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm putting you guys on game. So we can sell the market right here, sell the market right here, right? Boom. We sell the market down, right? That could have been the M. The M pattern, we sell it, sell high, boom, we in and out. But what the market will do sometime, and I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna be gone, I'm giving y'all some gems. They'll mess around and do this, right? Come up here, do it one more time, and then drop it off. You get what I'm saying? So now, instead of those two opportunities that you probably missed out on, they're going to come back up here another time and give you another opportunity to sell high, to get in. And this is some of the inside scoop that people don't release to, you know, the public or people that they don't want to see win. But I want to see everybody win. That's why I'm here every single day, paying it forward, giving the knowledge and the skill set that I know about, right? So, what I just say? I said there's only two things that can happen, right? Look, live. I want you guys to listen to my voice, but also look at the chart. It's moving. It's printing out for you. It's showing you what they want to do. It's showing you what's happening. Look at that, right? So what I was saying was, one scenario that can play out is that they would just take the market and go ahead and go down. And as you can see it, if they're doing that, they're printing the M pattern for us, right? That's the confirmation of green light. But like I said, they can fare well, you know, not move the market right away. Come and print the W pattern, right? So print the W pattern. Let me see if I can get this thing to work for me. So boom, you see the W, right? They trick you out because you know about the W pattern, but you're only buying low with that. But we know they at the high price, so they try to trick you. Boom. And go down. So we teach more about that. I don't want to get too advanced, but like I say, man, if you get value from this and you're understanding what we're talking about so far, guys, this ain't our first rodeo. When you get the course, you'll be able to make money, you know, not right away, because like I said, it really depends on the person. But the information is very simple and straightforward. It's not something that's complicated. We can even trade gold. Gold is a commodity. We could trade gold. We do the same thing. We look for the same fundamentals. Listen to me. Watch this. Look at that. They gone. So, if you check this out, what do you see? We see the same thing. Still buyers and sellers, but gold, we're trading a commodity. Look, I'm gonna paint the picture for you. Of course, this happened already, but like I say, if you're able to foresee these things and you know about the time of the day that you should be hunting, right? Like I say, man, this ain't our first rodeo. We show you when to eat. We show you what time to do it. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people get it misconstrued about this whole industry. It's, man. I just be mind boggled, like how, you know, I want to just pour it into the world, but they you know, it's just they don't, you know, I don't know. Because like I said, it's a time of the day that we tell you to go look for the patterns that we tell you about, right? This is how you make the money. If I say, man, Mike, go every day. If I tell you, say, man, Mike, every day, I want you to go to Garfield Park, you know, at 3 p.m., it's going to be $1 million of opportunity there for you every single day. I want you to go, right? And I'm guaranteeing it. I'm stamping it, right? If you go, you do your thing. If you don't go, then you're missing out. It's the same thing with this. Every single day, we say, all right, cool. This is when everything is going to pop off. This is every day when everything is going to present itself. This is what it is. As you can see, look. W pattern. See the W? That's a W. The professionals call it double bottom. You buy low. So if it goes up, which is going higher and higher, let me show you guys something. This is where you're parked at. This is where you're positioned at. Right here, where that arrow is. See the green? That's where you're positioned at. So you're there. Let's say you parked your car right there and you walk from that distance. So what a green arrow is, you parked your car there and now the market is all the way up here. Let me show you guys where the market is at right now. So from the green to the red, that's where the distance of how far you are as far as the radius from your car. So if I take that and measure it out, I'm going to take this little digital ruler they give us, and I'm going to take it from the bottom to the top, and we're talking 28 points within goal. So if you do the math, you're talking thousands of dollars, depending on how much you invest into this particular setup, this trade. Like I said, every single day at a time. Hey, go to Garfield Park, look for this, right? That's your $1 million opportunity for today. And that's it. The double bottom, that W pattern right there is the magic, the money maker. I just showed you I just showed you a currency pair, I just showed you an index, I'm showing you a commodity right now of doing the same thing. Why can't you do it? What's holding you back? Nothing. Just get the course. You get access to me right away. If you're serious about it, do it. This is your year, 2020. This is your decade. Forget the year. That's what I'm saying. Start changing the way y'all think. You feel me? Look, manifest the things you want in your life. Speak it. It's just simple. Put in the work. It's 2020, but don't think about just the year saying, hey, it's my year. No, this is my decade. You feel me? Think bigger. This is my decade. Speak it. If you've been grinding and you got aspirations, you got full control of your life and your destiny. I'm telling you. You got a lot of opportunity. Look, we got this social media thing that we're on right now. I got Facebook and YouTube that I'm able to leverage and reach millions of people right now. You get what I'm saying? I have a digital, broker, a digital platform where I'm able to make life-changing money with my investing, right? That's life-changing. I'm taking full advantage of that because I know that, back in the day and whatnot, it wasn't as easy, right? And I feel like, and I know for a fact, that's why a lot of people don't gravitate towards what we're talking about and understand what we're talking about. But if you give it a chance, then, we break it down simple, right? We get it to a point where you're able to understand it. As you guys see, pay attention to what we're doing over here. If you have to spy on us. But pay attention, because then if you're paying attention, you're going to be able to learn things and pick up things. I have my 4-year-old son, right? Investing, learning about the markets. Sell high, buy low. Hey, Dad, hey, this is the W. Hey, Dad, this is the M pattern, right? Knowing about these things early on so he can begin to eat for himself. If Dad and Mom pass away, God forbid, right? And he's 5 years old, 4 years old, I'm not saying right away he's going to be able to pull the laptop open and whatnot, but when he get older, he's going to have that in his subconscious mind saying, hey, I remember my dad telling me, hey, do this, do that. It's the same thing. It's the same skill set. It's the same blueprint. It's a piece of paper with those guidelines, those rules written out and given to you. As soon as you hit that invest button, because we all got it when we're giving it away, but you have to take action, and that's it. We show you what stocks to get into, when not to get in. So all that fear you got about risk, all that fear you got about it being difficult, all that fear you got about it being time consuming, it's not true at all. We show you how to minimize your risk, make more money. We show you how to make money in your sleep. Literally, in your sleep. Wake up, close the money, right? You can go to the gym, whatever you want to do. We show you how to do it. When I say investments, I mean investments. Investment is not something that we have to be consumed by. Investment is going to free up your time. It's the opposite, right? I just show you that it's not hard because we only look for a few things. We are bougie. We are particular. It's the time of the day we want to go ahead and get in. Why you guys think that I go live at a certain time? Because this is when the markets, the sessions, open. It's like when the banks open and close. I ain't trying to place no transactions if the banks are not open. I want to place all my buy and sell trades when the markets and the banks are open. Why? Because that's what the banks and the institutions that we park our hard-earned money with right now, U.S. Bank, Bank of America, J.P. Morgan Stanley, Chase, Barclays, what else? Goldman Sachs. All of these institutions are doing the same thing, pushing these markets with their, pumping the market with their trillions and millions of dollars. So if they're doing it, why can't we do it? Right? Facts. So I'm just giving all, the knowledge to you guys. And if you guys are taking this in and listening to me, then right there, I just made you six figures. Right there, I just made you six figures. And you can see the market still going up. So let's go back to the US30, the Dow Jones, and see how far they went so far. All right, so they still sitting right at that level. So we've made our, our profit for today, and that's what we do. We in and out. We done made somebody monthly salary, within 12 minutes. But guess what? Hey, if you want to go back your 9 to 5, go back. That's what I do, right? I go work my 9 to 5, have fun there. You know what I'm saying? Because this is an investment. You can live off your investment, or you can just go live your life, however you want to do it. But when you reach a certain pinnacle, a certain level, then you can step back from that 9 to 5, right? Because now you have things at a level where you want it to be, because you have a bigger picture and a bigger goal in mind, right? And that's what it's all about. So I'm willing to team up and collaborate. And like I said, if you guys want to ask any questions, I'm here live, as you guys can see. It is now 9:42 where I'm at. So if you guys got any questions while we here live, please feel free to drop a comment or any questions or concerns you might have about what we just talked about. And I give you guys a few minutes to go ahead and fill it out. And we're going to actually be doing a giveaway real quick. So let me put my webcam on real quick, make you guys can see me. So I try to do this quite often to give people opportunity to give them a head start. Like I said before, I'm looking to give people a head start, but the only factor is this. We're going to play a little game, and we're going to give you guys a chance to win some money today. All right? So it's some stipulations involved in this, and before I even, give it out, is this. Like I said, I want you to invest into yourself today. Today, I want you to invest into yourself today. And like I say, invest into the course, right? And I want you to go ahead and get the course. It's going to break every single thing down. That's the only stipulation, right? And the next stipulation is this. If you're paying attention, you're looking at my chart, I'm going to go to a few stocks, right? And I'm going to flip through them. I'm going to make it easy on you. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to probably do a 5 winners. Well, we got a couple minutes left. I'm going to do a good 5 winners. I got $2,000 to give away total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow 5 people to win, out of this $2,000. So my limit is $2,000 today. That's what I'm looking to give away today. All right. So y'all see it, right? So what I'm going to do now, like I said, the rules, these are the rules. There's only 2 rules. I'm going to go to a stock. And if you can comment, listen to me. This is how you win. So let's do 200. So 200 for the first winner. Now we're going to do it, right? So now I'm going to go to a stock, right? I'm going to go to any stock. I'm going to go to the first one, Apple, right? Now, in order to win this, what I'm going to do is this. Let me go out. I'm going to find one real quick, and I'm going to make it easy on you. All right, so, all right. Now, let me take all this other stuff off the chart real quick. So, I'm giving you guys opportunity to, expedite your, learning career with this skill set. Now, if anybody on this chart or live right now, say this chart, can tell me what they can foresee. It's a picture. Is it, a W? What is it? If anybody can comment, and in order to win this, like I say, after this, if you get the answer correctly, you have to invest into yourself and get the course today. So I got 200 up for grabs. If anybody can tell me what they see, you can take a guess. It don't even matter if you right or wrong. Just take a guess because you're trying. You're showing me that you're serious. What do you see on Apple right now? If anybody can guess, what do you foresee? Just like I say, take a guess. It's a pattern, right? I give you guys that. It's a pattern, right? So look. You guys look. 10 seconds. I'm going to go 10 seconds, then we're going to count down. What do you guys foresee happening? If anybody can tell me, is it a W or is it a... What is it? If anybody can tell me, I got 200 waiting for you. I'm going to start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's an M pattern. Alright? So look, I'm going to be fair. So from this point forward, what I'm going to do is, if you guys are paying attention, now that we know that we got 200 up for grabs, these are the patterns that we look for. Like I said, if you're serious about this, screenshot this. Because I'm giving you the answers right now. Watch this. I'm giving you guys another opportunity. I'm literally giving this money away. Like literally. Right? Now watch this. Now then we know what we're looking for. Remember what I said? These are the things right here. Right? Watch this. So now I'm about to erase it. I want you guys to look for that. You saw that? Look for that. Now, we're going to go into something different. If anybody can tell me what they see or foresee and take an educated guess, you can win 200 bucks. So, I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds. If you could just tell me what you can foresee on Tesla right now. Remember those patterns I just showed you? Take a guess. Is it a W? Is it an M pattern? What do you see in this picture right here? Right? What do you see? If anybody can guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anybody can guess? No? Y'all don't see it? So look. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, Greg, look, I want to be fair. And Greg know I'm a fair guy. And Greg know I'm a man of my word. Because Greg is actually an official founder of the 120 Dreamers. He's actually one of the founders. You know, the 120 Dreamers. You know what I'm saying? So, Greg, I want you to choose a winner. You know what I'm saying? Whoever is on this live right now, comment. Let us know you're there. You know what I'm saying? I want Greg to pick somebody who gonna win this. So what I'm gonna do now, look, let's go into another one. That was a great call, man. So let's do another one real quick. And if you comment, like I say, you can win some money. But if you ain't serious, then you're gonna miss out. So look, we're gonna do Amazon this time. Uh-oh, I just cheated. Actually, I didn't because that's actually, nope. So look, what do you for? Now this is an easy one. If anybody can tell me what they see on the chart right now, listen to me. You're only focusing on this. If you can foresee and tell me what it is right there in your face, what do you see on the chart right now? Look, guys, look. I'm not trying to entice you, or not like that. But I want to give this away. But I want you to try. So let me go back. All right. Okay, so look, this is Amazon. Look, we able to make money off Amazon and then go pay, with the profits that we made. So I go make money and profit off Amazon, right? I go spend that same money that I profit with and go, Amazon Prime and send some package to the crib or something. So I'm not spending my money. I invested into Amazon originally, made my daily profit, withdrew it, and now I need some stuff from Amazon. Cool. Let me prime it. Win-win situation. Wouldn't you say? All right, so look. I'm giving you guys an opportunity to make $200 to expedite, to get you started, right? Only stipulation is you got to tell me what you see. What do you see on my chart right now? Look. It's a pattern. It's right there in your face. And I'm making it so easy for you. If you can tell me, you can win this $200. But you have to invest into the course because you're investing into you, right? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to tell me. Comment. What do you see? What do you think? I'll give you 10 seconds. Starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, y'all. 1. I'm trying to get his money away. It's right there. It's an M pattern. Amazon.com, right? That we all know about. We able to make money off of it. It's an M pattern. Alright? And like I say, I'm trying to get his money away so I can help some of you guys expedite, your learning curve. Learn this. Skill set. It's life changing. It ain't something that's consuming and whatnot. It's not hard, right? Easy. Easy peasy. And I don't like to say easy because I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's simple. Alright? So, I got money flying everywhere. Guys, listen to me. Whatever stock you want to do, let's do another one. Let's do Microsoft. I'm going to give you guys another opportunity. Let's see if anybody can catch this one. Alright? So I'm being super generous today. Alright, so let's play a game. And if you can tell me, like I said, if you guess, then it doesn't hurt you. What do you see on this chart right now? And I'm gonna make it easy for you. I wanna actually just walk this person to the win. Look, what do you see? Is it a W or is it a, what is it? What pattern do you see? And I want you to look. If this helps you guys, look from the left to the, from the left. Read it from the left to the right. You get what I'm saying? So I think that would help a lot of people understand how to read a chart or how to analyze a chart. And this is Microsoft. This is a corporation. This is a real business that we all know about. So read it from the left to right and you tell me what you see in the chart. Comment when you figure it out. Take a guess. Is it an M pattern? Do you see an M potentially, coming out of this thing, this situation? Or do you see a W? What do you see? I give you guys 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and wrap things up. This is a straight M pattern. Now, it may just go ahead and develop this way, or it may, come back up. But so far, I can, potentially foresee an M pattern happening on Microsoft because I'm just looking at what the data gives me. So let's actually jump back into the US30 real quick, and we go ahead and I know we've been saying we're gonna end this thing, but I want to do a little giveaway. So right now, let's check in on our trade real quick. So look at that. If you see, I'm saying, if you guys paid attention and you stayed to the very end of this live video, you made some money with me. Guarantee that. Somebody just made money with me live. So, look at that. I just said that. I was just saying that this was an M pattern that was happening. And look at that. Sellers took over. Boom. Right? Market went up. We cashed out. Boom. Market went down. You was able to ride both waves. So with that being said, I am done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Happy freaking Wednesday. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. And listen to me. Investing has been the swag, man. It's been the culture. Invest. You know, you don't have to stay married to these trades or, you know, whatever it is. Start investing, man. Ain't nothing holding you back. Stop procrastinating. If you want to learn how to do the thing, man, hey, get the course. Get the course. It'll change your life. All right? I'm only telling you because I'm living it. You know, and now, like I say, me personally, I'm just getting started. I've been doing this thing, but like I said, I got levels that I'm looking and desiring to reach. All right? So for me personally, you know, a lot of people look up to that, but I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started, and I'm saying that in the most humble way possible. I started this back in 2011. That was my very first time getting exposed to stocks, Forex, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. And that was old fashioned. Seeing the money, seeing the cars and things of that nature sparked something. And ever since I've been doing it. So it's a lifetime skill set. I can make money, you know, whenever I desire to. So I'm going to stop rambling and talking, but these are jewels, these are gems and secrets and inside scoop that I'm giving y'all, the people, because I love y'all. I want to see y'all chase greatness. And that's why I'm doing it every single day, paying it forward. All I ask is that you pay it forward to the next person. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Holla.